Silent Hill: The Short Message.
No, my battery.
Bad girl gets an empty plate.
Berries.
What? Who would do this?
Asilisya ko ta magkangyak sa kanya ka. Sa kucing mo sang ka magkangyak. Kaya ta kikaro pok. Naro ka no piso ka sa naksukas.
Children Who Turn Trauma into Tales: Solitude and Anxiety in Teenagers, Part 2. All of the teenagers surveyed suffered from deep psychological issues caused by past experiences. And interestingly, all of them conceptualized those issues as grandiose stories of sorts. One girl placed herself in the role of a tragic hero, convincing herself she was at the mercy of an abusive stepmother, and that her loving, real mother existed elsewhere. Another girl viewed her childhood scars as stigmata, believing those scars would bloom into beautiful cherry blossoms. These convenient tales in the face of extreme adversity are born out of a deep desire to escape unbearable pain and self-hatred. The greater the trauma, the more grandiose the story surrounding it.
Wait, it's back on?
Yes.
How could somebody do this? Some people really have nothing better to do. Wait. I bet it was these guys.
Happy.
What's this?
Allora, torniamo in resto con Shujich. Non è tornato in dammi topaxina nga. Bomba singi. Amazon ni tamang. Quattro di con fazione.
This is just like before. You're so good to me, but you're leaving me behind. Did Maya really not say anything? Like, at all?
So what'd you think of the book? The author killed themselves when they were young. Something beautiful from something tragic. It's kinda enchanting, isn't it? I wonder what they were thinking right before they died. Anyway, I didn't think you'd share your thoughts in a letter. You really are shy, aren't you? Actually, kinda like that, though. You write in a really flowery and passionate way. I can't wait to read more.
Oh, okay. Letters.
Wani abet ko siutlak. Toko nga ba? Maron ni kumak po nga. Maron ni Tasyo nga lumutakik ka ma. Inona iluwansing yung naklong sinitidaw nga. Sa kati siulitan ko. Rồi Kanga pisut utsuk-tsuk-killuwi tullamik kumitakan pisokakpa takpi
Wonder what those guys are talking about. Fortune telling? A lot of people are getting into that, huh? You don't believe in that stuff? Well, I think there's something real about it. My great-grandmother was a fortune teller. I hear people here used to treat her like some sort of prophet. But they all eventually turned on my great-grandmother. Guess you can predict other people's futures, but not your own.
Yeah, story mo tinyaksajin ng niyakla kaksatin ni dama tupisok kasoka sits.
Tarot cards. No point predicting my future.
Inunang Nick, ukoy isipagkijin ko si mga basi masot. Wang inunin niyo ko makikasaon ng iraka pisuting adongo. No na ka naman ni wang apakaw sa pa ay masindaso tas ko ino kakukusot. Ama makichisyon niya kinasinga. Makichisyon ko siya ino na ka narikaksin daw.
Teenage suicides continue at infamous building. A rundown apartment complex in Kettenstadt has become known for its suicides, with teenage girls jumping from its roof practically every year. Despite repeat events, the building, abandoned ever since the development management company declared bankruptcy, remains easily accessible. The young and unemployed are not deterred by the building's grim reputation, though, with many continuing to enter it, and young graffiti artists using it for their work. Meanwhile, local residents' security concerns continue to grow.
If you want food, do what I say!
Stava mo Jericho dasya ko nakarua. Buwasay kadumi sa tuwang sad.
In Japanese culture, there has long been a sense of beauty in sacrifice, with harakiri, killing oneself by slicing one's stomach, being a prime example. The idea was that by taking your own life, you symbolically purge the world of your transgressions and purify yourself. This concept can be confusing to many Westerners, with young people incorrectly assuming the Japanese yearn for a beautiful way to die. Modern Japanese people, however, do not view suicide in such a positive light anymore, and the life they value is not the biological variety, but rather a social one, where death is needed to protect that life.
Sokraton, mon.
This is all your fault, everything. You're a heartless bitch. You stole my only friend, my place in this world, all of it, and you don't even care. I'm invisible to you. I fucking hate you. You're not talented. You're not special. You call those shit stains art? You came out of nowhere and ruined everything. Get the fuck out of my life, you piece of shit freak.
Saksingaru chisunan mo taman. Aksingin nga ko saka. Awasiyo.
I haven't been able to study since my brother came back for Christmas break. He's nice and doesn't interrupt my studies or anything, but I can't stand him staring at me. I know he was probably just messing with me back then, but I've been scared of him ever since. It's made me hate any guy looking at me. I can't believe other girls walk around school and town showing so much skin. I think I'm finally finding my study groove. My test scores are really good. I'm worried about how much my parents are fighting recently, though. They were yelling at each other again today. I asked Mom why, but she wouldn't say. This is it. Test day tomorrow. Mom told me I should be proud of myself since I've worked so hard, so I'm feeling great. She's not my real mom, but I know she loves me, and I love her. Mom, I'm going to ace this test tomorrow for both you and Dad.
Katsaro ka nga.
Deutschland Medical University School of Medicine. Orientation. Dear incoming freshmen, welcome to Deutschland Medical University. Founded in 1709, DMU is one of Europe's oldest and most revered institutions. Its state-of-the-art research facilities eagerly await your arrival. Where? School of Medicine Central Lecture Hall. Please wear a mask when attending. Universitat Seinführung greater than.
This is for the college Amelie wants to go to. Too hard on myself, huh? Amelie's the only one who thinks that.
Tokoon ni koksundio karut asatatak to. Aksasiyul. No tireda.
I'm finally focused on my studies, so I think I might pull an all-nighter. It won't be good for my skin. I can just hear people calling me troll and nerd, but I don't care. I have to make it to college in the city. Mom and Dad are counting on me to do well. I'll make them proud by getting into my first choice. Alright, time to hit the books till morning. Dad was talking today about how there was a plan to rebuild the town. They were going to use a bunch of funding from China to turn the town into something better. But everything got cancelled due to COVID. Sure, it would have been nice if it had gone through, but I just couldn't see it happen, even if things had worked out. Not in this place. It hasn't been special since I was little. There's nothing to do, the buildings are ancient, it's a dump. My future isn't here, it's in the city, where college life is waiting for me. Everything's riding on my entrance exam next year. I have to get out before my brother comes back.
Stay home alone!
Stay home alone! Oh.
I got some materials from my first choice in the mail today. I'm going to be a college freshman. I'm so happy. I still can't believe it. Mom, Dad, I'm going to study my ass off and be the best daughter ever. Thank you so much for everything. Mom and Dad are yelling at each other. They're talking about bankruptcy. Wasn't everything supposed to work out even without that rebuilding plan? So this means they're out of money, right? Does this mean I can't go to college? All that hard work was for nothing? No way. Don't leave me. Mom, I can't stay here. I can't be stuck here with my brother. Mom just left. She told me to get out of the way. I have to get out of here. I want to disappear. But where would I go? This is all a bad dream.
Amelie hated the way her brother looked at her. I bet she wants to leave to get away from all that.
At around 10 a.m. on the 24th, a local resident reported seeing an 18-year-old female high school student fall from the roof of a Kettenstadt apartment building. The girl was rushed to the hospital, but was pronounced dead 2 hours later. According to school staff, the girl was distraught over not being able to attend college due to troubles at home. No note or diary was found, but police still believe her death may be a suicide.
Amelie's not like this, though. Right?
Oh, thank you. 가만히 딱 놨었네. 마땅히 쉴 수 있습니다. 정말 sa pingkingan anak pasinawa. Pasinanga lang bisa ko yun naksina kama nang mamachin ko nga baka man nang mingsanas yo.
School?
Yes. Difficile itong anong kakaniyak si mga anak. Oo, nakimasyo. Ngayon man. Daba? Pisu yung ba?
Go away!
Butch. Kang usak sinmerits. Go away.
What the hell?
Get out, you freak! Slut!
You're ours. Fuck. You're a freak.
Cocky piece of shit!
Okay.
Shut your whore mouth!
I like this.
Ugly!
Get out, freak!
Gusto ko man desisyon sa
Maya's not a freak. She's my friend.
okay. Mga nagkabanat saka. Lock. Sekong nagbunga siya tapos minaksuwak pa niya. Hey! Alay!
Why are you chasing me? Not again. Not again. What did I do to deserve this? Oh, what the fuck am I supposed to find?
Ayoko nang ginatim eh. So ako na maraksok sa takatahin nakatawa. Ah.
The girl in this picture is Amelie.
Amale. Cool. Amale. Last picture. Nice. Ako pinuhan na si Mama na.
This guy looks familiar. They're hurt. Where are you going? Yeah, that's right. Amelie.
What's that? Oh, you like what you see? Come closer then. Wait a sec. You two are from my class. Those glasses look good on you. sorry, she's so cute. I couldn't help myself. Feel free to stop by anytime. You're always welcome.
Maya only ever cared about Amelie. She didn't see me. I was invisible to her.
Okay. Kamarad, sinalungira kanot so. Toko si manaksono, manaksorlun ni go manaklungarun ni toko si manaklungarun ni tako kaksadjim.
The library. So, I'm back at school.
There's no beauty in any of this. Oh, sorry. I was just thinking about something. I borrowed that book you wanted. I finished it, so it's all yours. I wrote my impressions in a letter. Read it when you get home, okay?
Where was it? That book.
Kettenstadt, the town cursed by a witch malicious magic to blame for city slump. Viola Kettenstadt continues to see a rapid decline in its population. The birth rate is at a mere 0.7, less than half of the German nation average, 1.6. Miscarriages are also at 31%, more than double the average, 15%. The economy is in shambles, and the once booming industrial city has failed to revitalize itself twice. A number of researchers studying the occult point to a witch as the cause of the economic downturn in Kettenstadt. The witch was a Japanese woman who used her clairvoyance to influence economic development in the town in the 1930s. Researchers believe she was hunted down and killed. Before her death, she is believed to have placed a curse on the town, stymieing its growth.
Mr. Ham.
So, it is a curse. But why me? Why do I have to be cursed like this? Find what in a place like this?
Nakasiniyak sa nga na. Ayaw ko na. Kasi nagpad. Nuyo map. No. Library. Ayun na.
Looks like there's space for a book here. Wait, I think I know these. No way.
Yes, we. Was kavşişuğun o. Kutamavi şöyle kapsonak baksuhan değil. Lungulaakanaasilluornaga masaqutigiullangilaakanaasilluornissaa skaavianitteqqaamassuaraa qivaaleqaangami irlasaatailerpaallattaalerpoq
It's like that other school. Why does this always happen?
I've never seen water like that before. That's not true.
qimaaleqaangami aqpattangaraayung taqalorpo taamaaleriarluni stavimotitaallartikkaanga pisuinnelertaq maanaqanittumingisaannarpus kaavia taavas kaavia unissimassa
Maya's locker. No, it's not here. It wasn't here before either. What? My locker. Why is it locked? Is there something I don't want to see?
kuisisamat kuisisamaqassorlernipan laaka teqqiriippu
Amelie's locker. Yes, it's just a novel. Wait a sec. Wait.
No. Misisuara tuitrinort.
It won't open.
Dava manodomi. 3 2 Dava
I know what's inside. And I can't look away. Here it is. What's this letter? Was it inside the book?
Remember when I said I wanted to live like a cherry blossom? To be beautiful and dignified for a fleeting moment, simply by letting go of life. Daring to bloom, knowing it won't last. And so falling in vivid color. I wish I could live like that. I want to experience true beauty, if only for a moment. I met someone who made me feel different. He showed me a whole new world, gave me hope. I honestly thought he could help me find a new me. I felt it with all my heart. But people didn't understand us. Didn't want that from us. In the end, they took my hope from me. They took him away. People who can't achieve beauty seek comfort in others. They fear anyone different, hate them, try to tear them down. I can't take much more of this. I wish you and I could run away together, Amelie. Just me and you.
오늘도 싹다 독하다
Maya. She was asking Amelie for help. But I just... Maya, you have everything. You're way more talented than me. So why? Why take Amelie from me? You acted like I wasn't even there. Amelie is my friend. She's mine. I only wanted to take her down a bit. She was taking Amelie away from me. She wouldn't pay attention to me. How was I supposed to know she'd actually kill herself?
bla 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 bla. Happy. Masyibag ka. Takosu. Ang bakit ng bunga. Ana.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Here we go again. Sumugang 넣고 이거 찡깡은 매우 적다고 너무 봉강내 약점 Ngốc nghe nè 이러지라 약속을. 아마 신호도 내가
Are you
끄딱서.
here to punish me?
Yep, nabasa ka. Kokkuraktunga. Pitää skipper sinna vaan jumpscarepä jusissua. Come on.
Forgive me, Maya!
Forgive me, Maya! Run! Uko napaksira reaksjon syystä mattomin. Avautseranni. Bakta pissa on under kuria. Pasivara. Okarungin?
I can't do this forever.
You think? Wang kita ba nariyak sa resmi na wang? Pasin kung kakako sunod siya. Asya. Nakasaktisya ka. Zap. Bagus.
Maya, I finally get it. I know what you wanted me to find.
Anita, what's up?
I I'm so sorry, Amelie. Maya died because I killed her.
What are you talking about?
You and Maya wrote letters to each other, right?
Yeah, but then Maya jumped off the villa roof.
Well, there was supposed to be one in the last book you had, too.
What?
That letter was a message for you.
Why are you telling me this, Anita?
I was jealous of Maya. I was afraid she'd take you away from me. My mom was right. I should never have been born.
Oh, wait. Anita, calm down.
What? I jumped off the building. Even if I die, this doesn't end. How many times do I have to go through this?
Matulsisanan mo na siya ka. Tama niya kasi makapasisyo. Mga ko hindi sinaksan mo. Sinaksak siya mas bye. Doon siya matagus. Bye bye.